Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how hackers can steal your accounts without your password and how to protect yourself. All right, let's begin. Many websites store cookies on your device after you sign in. These cookies keep you logged in, but if malware steals them, hackers can access your accounts without needing your password. This is known as session hijacking. To reduce the risk on an iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, then tap Safari. Scroll to the bottom, tap Advanced, then Website Data. Here you'll see all the cookies stored on your device. Tap Remove All Website Data to clear them. This will sign you out of websites, but it also removes active sessions that hackers could potentially steal. Next, return to the Safari settings and enable security features such as fraudulent website warning, prevent cross-site tracking, and not secure connection warning. These options help block unsafe websites and improve your privacy while browsing. If you use Google Chrome, open the browser, tap the three-dot menu, go to History, then delete browsing data. Choose All Time, make sure Cookies and Site Data is selected, and delete the data. Finally, avoid opening links or attachments from unknown emails or messages, as they may contain malware designed to steal your browsing sessions. So that's basically how you can protect yourself from hackers who don't need your password anymore. That's it for this video. Thanks!